Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Reliance Industries. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Reliance Industries with an unchanged price target of Rs 2,880. We firmly believe that Reliance is a compelling long-term investment bet given strong prospect across its businesses and potential value unlocking from retail, digital services and financial service portfolio. This would create long-term value for shareholders. We highlight here that Jio Financial Service will get listed on exchange on August 21, 2023 and the upcoming Reliance AGM, which is expected at the end of August, is likely to bring more clarity and a strategic roadmap for Jio Financials, an indication of potential value unlocking from likely listing of Reliance Retail and Reliance Jio. At current market price, the stock trades at 18 times its FY25 earnings EPS and 9.9 times its FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. Next on radar is L&T Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on L&T Finance with a price target of Rs 155. Company's core retail business is performing well, capitalizing on strong macro driven by healthy retail asset growth, better margins and lower credit cost, which translated into ROF for the retail segment over 3% in Q1 versus 2.5% in FY23. However, the wholesale book's performance continued to overshadow the overall performance. The company is looking to run down a majority of the wholesale book by the end of 24 earnings. Thus, the diminishing wholesale book will constrain net loan growth and ROE in FY24. However, from FY25, growth in retail franchise would uplift loan growth and ROE. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 1.3 times FY24 estimated adjusted book value and 1.1 times FY25 earnings adjusted book value estimates. Next we cover Hindustan Aeronautics. Our analyst reiterates buy on HAL following good Q1 wherein revenue was in line while operating profit margin exceeded estimates. Net profit grew by 31% year-on-year aided by other income. Order book is strong at Rs 82,000 crore while near-term order pipeline is Rs 48,000 crore and long-term order pipeline is Rs 1,50,000 crore. The company expects double-digit revenue growth from FY25 when deliveries of LCA Tejas Mk1A kicks in. The company aims for 14% revenue growth from FY26. Advancement of potential partnership with countries like Argentina would boost export in the long term. HAL has proven execution capabilities and a healthy cash balance. The stock currently trades at 21 times its FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.